many rectangles?
Miss 8.
Yeah,
Miss
I am
8.
asking you.
Miss, do we
8.
have to draw
Thank you
the
very
second?
much. Then tell me how many triangles in the first pattern?
One.
One. And in the second pattern?
4. Miss 2.
4. Very good. So 4
4.
minus 3. How many triangles have been added?
Yes, Miss.
How many triangles have been added in the second pattern?
4. 4.
There was 3.
4. Miss 3. Miss 3 now.
3.
Yes, there are 4. So here the pattern is 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. 3 triangles have been added here. And here how many triangles?
5. 5.
How many triangles are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 9. 5, 6, 7.
Yes, 9. So then what can be the next pattern?
9, 10, 11. Miss, I got it. Miss, this is 9.
12?
Yes, I think so.
12 pattern. Okay, let's draw.
16 triangle, Miss. We have to draw like this.
Yes.
Do we have to write any equations?
No.
Okay.
So this is the thing. So how many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, who answered 16? Very well done. This is the right answer.